What you meant? What's up, everybody? Just a guy and a girl here.
Hey!
And we are still in the Netherlands for day 6. This is actually a travel day.
Yeah, travel day.
We checked out of the hotel earlier. We took a train. We are in Rotterdam. We're heading to Paris now. We're waiting for our train, the Eurostar.
Yes.
So we should be over there in a few hours. And then make it to our hotel and hopefully get some rest. So yeah, day 6, guys. Let's see what the day holds in store for us. Come on.
Let's go.
Hello. What you meant? I mean, you're technically in the first class.
We're in Paris! We finally made it! Yay!
Finally.
We're here!
We are here. We are at the train station.
Which is a very big and busy train station.
It's super busy.
Yeah.
We did have a little snafu on the way over here. We got on the wrong car. But in my defense, we were still technically in first class.
We were not. We weren't even in second class. We're like stuck in the middle where the critters go.
we were in a first class car. We were in the little area dividing between them, so we kind of looked like stowaways. But it was just for a really short trip. Well, they told us.
Shouldn't have been that.
They told us what car it was, but there wasn't enough time to get to it because they don't wait for you. So.
Because Javier refused to ask for directions after I told him. They don't listen.
Again, our mission is to try and eat all the deliciousness.
And shop.
But why is this the first thing we see?
Fresh burritos.
Fresh burritos. That's the first sign we see coming into the station. We flew all these miles
for fresh burritos.
For burritos. So, I don't know. Hopefully we can find something a little more local. But anyways,
a little bit more French?
Yeah, a little bit more French. Happy?
Oh my God, I'm so excited. I'm here. I feel a little emotional right now. I'm so excited. I'm very happy. I can't believe I'm in Paris. Oh, super cute, but very small.
It's a small bed, definitely cozy.
Yes.
We got a little bar there. So I don't know how many floors this is, but the elevator only goes up to 4th floor.
4th floor.
4th floor. After that, you gotta carry.
Very cutesy. OMG. Can people watch me take a bath here?
Yep.
Oh, they can. Ooh, you feel that? Whoa.
Man, there's no glass, huh?
No, there is not. Oh, heck yes. Very nice.
We made it to Paris. We checked into the hotel, dropped off our stuff, and we were debating about what's the first thing we do. Do we go have a drink? Do we go get some pastries? Do we look for a restaurant? We decided on the first thing we were going to do. Very romantic. We came to do laundry.
I didn't even do laundry at home. You bring me all the way to Paris to do laundry.
Right?
Well, I still didn't do laundry. I'm just sitting here.
It's very romantic. I know. What are you complaining about? Anyway, guys, we had to do our laundry.
Do laundry though. Our first night here. Week. So weak. Hiya. some French kitty food. First night in Paris, and we did some shopping for some little snacks, some drinks, some groceries, some crackers so I could finally eat my cheese.
Some beverages of the locals.
Beverages of the locals.
So we're gonna try it out. So we stopped at the corner cafe, which is literally around the corner from us. They do have happy hour for the evening. We're gonna try some of that. The server recommended a prime rib dish that's for two. Comes with a big salad for 60 euros, so we're gonna try that.
When in Paris, do what the Parisians do. I'm starting my Paris diet. Basically, it's only consists of bread, hot chocolate, and wine.
Bread. Oh my God, baguette. There you go.
Oh my God, I'm so excited.
OMG.
Oh, wow. You weren't lying.
You were not lying. Look at this. Beautiful. Oh my goodness.
Look at the size of this steak. All proper. I was just gonna grab a piece with my hand. Oh.
There's no medium rare here, okay? You order either rare, medium well, or well done. That's it. So we got medium well, which is like medium rare.
Medium well ends up being like medium.
OMG. Oh my goodness.
This is delicious. The flavor is so simple.
It's really good.
Try the salad. This dressing. I don't know what it is. Kind of is like the equivalent to a French dressing. This is good. Sorry about the angle, guys. Please excuse my 6 chins. But I worked hard to earn them, so.
Like a French dressing.
All right, guys, we're gonna enjoy the rest of this meal.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit, guys. So this corner cafe is open till 2 a.m. We just discovered it, like Celeste says. We might be coming here every night to get our little nightcap or coffee, something.
Yeah, something.
Unless we figure out that a lot of these restaurants are open.
Right,
Then who knows where we'll be.
But I think we fell in love with Stephen. He was awesome.
He was amazing.
Yeah.
Really hard worker.
Yes.
We kept seeing him busting his butt off.
Only one here.
And serving all the tables.
Everything.
Huh?
Yeah.
All right, guys, this is me from the future reminding you to hit that like button and subscribe because I know you probably haven't hit the like button yet.